My dear student, today I am explaining direct and inverse proportion. Proportion means the ratio of two quantities. First, direct proportion. I am taking weight of the apples one side and cost of these apples second side. 1 kg 80 rupees, 2 kg 160, 3 kg 240, 4 kg is 320, 5 kg is 400. As weight is increasing, cost is also increasing. So it is direct proportion. Here, ratio of these two quantities will remain constant. Means x upon y is equals to k, so x will be yk. And if I will take first one and the ratio of second one, it will remain same. Come to the inverse proportion. For that, I am taking an example of a circle. Full circle central angle is 360 degree. When I will divide into 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 parts, check what will be the angle at the center. 2 parts 180 degree each, 3 parts 120 degree each, 4 parts 90 degree each, 6 parts 60 degree each, 8 parts central angle will be 45 degree. Here I am observing as one quantity is increasing, this is reducing. So when one is increasing, another is reducing, it is the example of inverse proportion. Here the product of these two will be the same. So x and y's product is constant. So x1 y1 is equals to x2 y2. When I will take x2 this side, x1 upon x2 is equals to y2 upon y1. Now, how to solve the sums related to direct and inverse proportion? Very simple. As I explained this and marked the arrows, same I will do for the sums. I am explaining very simple method. Just see. For solving any sum, first of all, we have to write given quantities. Then we have to put arrows in the both quantities. And then we will use lower upon higher quantity is equals to lower upon higher quantity. I can take reverse also. Higher upon lower is equals to higher upon lower. But I will explain by first method. See, one by one I am taking sums. First sum. Question number 4. In 6 hours, a machine can fill 840 bottles. In 5 hours, how many bottles it can fill? Very simple. 6 hours, 840 bottles. In less hours, less number of bottles will be there. So I have marked line arrow from lower to upper, lower to upper. Now apply. Lower to upper is equals to lower to upper. Cross multiply. X is coming 700. Come to the second sum. Here he is saying map distance on map and distance on earth. On distance of map, 1 centimeter is representing 18 kilometer on earth. So for 72 kilometer, how much distance will be there on the map? Naturally, for more distance on map will be there. So this quantity will be more as compared to the 1. So I marked arrow from lower to upper, lower to upper. Again, lower to upper is equals to lower to upper. Cross multiplication, y is coming 4. Same here. Question number 10. For 13 kilometer, time taken by a car is 25 minutes. So for in 5 hours, how much distance it can travel? First of all, I am making 5 hours in minutes. It is coming 300 minutes. So in 25 minutes, it can travel 14 kilometer. So naturally, in 300 minutes, it will travel more. So k will be bigger. So the arrow lower to upper is equals to lower to upper. Apply lower to upper is equals to lower to upper by cross multiplication. K is coming 168. Come to this. There is a model of the ship. Length of the model and length of the ship given. One part is 9 centimeter long in the model, but actually it was 12 meter. If another part is 28 meter, then what would be the length? Naturally, less length will give you less length here in the model, so more length will give you more, so this will be more. So I applied the arrows lower to upper, lower to upper. Same cross multiplication is giving 21. Come to the next. Question number 7. Weight of the sugar and number of crystals, particles in the sugar. 2 kg is having 9 into 10 raised to power 6 particles. Because the question is containing 2 parts, so I am writing 2 times. Weight same, 2 kg, that much. 5 kg will have how much crystals? Naturally, more sugar have more crystals. Here 1.2 kg means less sugar, contains less number of particles. So I marked arrow from less to more here, less to more here. Apply the formula, less to more is equals to less to more. Cross multiply, answer is coming 22.5 into 10 raised to power 6, which can be written as 2.25 into 10 raised to power 7. Same here, less to more, cross multiply, y is coming 5.4 into 10 raised to power 6. Come to the another sum. If the speed of a car is 60 km per hour, it is taking 2 hours. But if I will increase its speed, naturally time will be less. So less to more. Now I am observing that arrow is coming in the reverse direction. So this question belongs to the inverse proportion, but method will remain same. Less to more, k will come 1.5 hour. Same here, number of period are 8, 45 minutes each in any particular school. If instead of 8 period they want to make 9 period, naturally time will be less. So less to more. Again it is coming in the reverse direction. So this question is belong to inverse proportion. Less to more. Z is coming 40 minutes. Come to the another sum. A person who is keeping the cattle, 20 animals were there and food he have for 6 days. But instead of 20 animals, now he is keeping 30 animals. So naturally food will consume early. So x will be less as compared to 6. So less to more. Again our opposite direction. So example of inverse proportion. Less to more is equals to less to more. X is coming 4. Similarly, number of boxes are 25. Each box contains 12 bottles. But if I will take big box which is containing 20 bottles, the number of box will be less. So y will be less as compared to 25. Here 12 is less as compared to 20. So less to more, opposite direction. So this is an example of inverse proportion. Apply less to more, cross multiplication, y is 15. Same here, number of persons are there, 2 sums are of the same part, 2 parts of the same sum. Number of person 2, number of days 3, but if one person is there, how many days it will take? Naturally 2 persons are doing in 3 days, one person will take more days, so z will be bigger. Here less to more, here he want to finish the work in 1 day, so naturally k will be bigger. So less to more, apply the same formula, less to more is equals to less to more, z is coming 6. Here less to more is equals to less to more, k is coming 6. That's all for today's job. Thank you. Have a nice day.